getting made and deals are getting closed. Ramp-ups are happening. So our view is that the order book scenario going into FY14 is quite good.
So could you elaborate more on the deal pipeline also? You did mention about that.
So I mean, we always look at the number of large deals we pursue. Let me put it this way, we are pursuing more number of large deals, both in terms of the number and size today than last year.
So the last thing on the outlook on the client spending, sir, what would you see going forward?
I mean, it varies, but broadly our view is that there are three types of scenarios. There are clients who have an increase in spending. There are clients who have a similar level of spending like last year, but they are spending it differently. And there are third set of clients who are reducing the spend, but they are taking cost out in one part of the business and investing in the other part of the business. The cost out is happening in the back office systems and the investment is happening in customer facing systems. So these are the three trends we are seeing broadly.
Bloomberg, Priya.
Hi sir, congratulations for your results. This is regarding the outline of the immigration bill that came last night. So any impact it would have on your H1B visas, and any impact on, would you look at reducing the number of H1B visa applications that you would want?
See, a comprehensive immigration bill is not yet out. I think only I don't think it's a full draft version is out. I think it's some kind of summary is available, but still the official version is not yet out. So we need to wait till the full version is out so that we can study and then see the implications. But you know, we would appreciate the fact that it's only a draft. After this, it has to go through multiple steps before it gets concluded as a bill. So we need to understand the implications. But by and large, I think we would look at on the one side increasing in the cap, and on the other side we want to understand what the restrictions are, and based on that we will be able to react. It's too early to react. We don't have anything specific yet.
Z Business, Amol.
Hi sir, you mentioned that all the geographies have done well, but if you could give us your comment on Europe, it would be really great. And also if you could tell me that which are the sectors from specifically Europe that contributed to the largest chunk of your revenue?
See, I think the way to look at our performance this quarter and as well as the whole year, we have had a very secular growth across markets by and large. If you look at it, every market we have grown. And industries barring telecom, our growth has been pretty secular. The industries which have done exceedingly well are manufacturing, retail, financial services, insurance. Those are the sectors which have done better than the other sectors. But having said that, we are seeing uptick in utilities, pharma and other sectors. This particular quarter, continental Europe has done better than UK. UK, there is a slight dip, but continental Europe has done better.
Okay. And also, sir, in NASSCOM, of course, you're talking about digital. The growth will be in digital areas. Have you started obtaining few deals in those sectors?
Yeah, digital is a very important area where we have made significant investments. If you take mobility, cloud, big data, and social. The deal sizes are small, but there are a large number of deals. We would have signed at least 100 deals this quarter in the digital alone. Okay. The deal sizes are small.
Yeah. So you have given your comment on US immigration bill, but even if Ajay could tell us some view, by any chance if USA goes with the same bill which is in the pipeline, they pass the bill, I mean, what will be your hurdles? If you could tell us, it would be really great.
No, I think as Chandra said, it will be better to wait and then see what the bill, what the contour it takes.
Okay, and based on that, what it is,
we can give the right comments, right?
Aradhana.
It's not going to happen in one day. No, there will be a transition period of 2, 3, 5 years. So it's not that next week something is going to happen.
Aradhana from Reuters.
Hi, I just actually have a clarification on your year ago net profit number. when I look at your previous numbers, the net profit was 29.3 billion rupees, and on this table that we have, it says 29.46. Just wondering, is there any change from?
No, there is no change. Maybe you are looking between Indian IFRS and...
No, IFRS.
There shouldn't be. Our audited numbers will be up on the website, so you should have a look at that.
All right. Okay, thank you.
Anu, Bloomberg News.
Sir, good evening. Sir, the management of your biggest rival has said the IT business is volatile. Firstly, I want to know, do you agree, and do you think that the worst for the IT sector business is behind now?
I don't want to comment specifically, but by and large, I think we have maintained that the environment presents a lot of opportunities for us, because there is an increasing level of adoption of technology, because companies are looking at technology to transform themselves to seek growth. New business models are coming in, every process is getting reimagined, and at the same time simplification is a major theme by which companies are getting the IT systems to be optimal, and then releasing costs for releasing more money for investments in new areas. So we have a view that there are a lot of opportunities in front of us.
So how is the B2B business faring, and your outlook on that?
What is B2B business?
I mean, the business-to-business products, how are they faring?
I can't.
I'll ask a question again later, sir.
Shivani, Business Standard.
Hi, congratulations on a great set of numbers. First question to Rajesh. Looking into FY14, could you give us some indication of how do you see the margins panning out for the company? Is 27% something that you feel is realistic?
Yeah, pretty much. I think we are trying to build our business to defend margins within a narrow band. And when we look at the year that has gone by and look forward into what we see as the business opportunities, I think the margin should be defendable, and that's what we are working towards. So that range is where we will operate in.
Okay, thanks. Chandra, obviously this quarter we also saw a great an acquisition from TCS after a long time. Is Europe going to be a focus area in terms of acquisition for TCS?
Yes, Europe is a focus area. Both organic and inorganic growth. We have been saying for some time that we have been looking at Germany, France, Japan and these kind of markets, and we are very happy that we have found a right asset. Very happy that we have been able to do this deal and hope to conclude this transaction by end of June with all the necessary approvals. And